G'day guys, Tom here from Different Drop, here with Hunter Smith from Franklin Estate Winery in WA in Franklin River. And Hunter, I just want to talk to you quickly about organics and organic viticulture.
Sure.
You're one of probably the leading exponents of organics in the country, and just love to get your thoughts on, I guess, firstly why you've gone in that direction, and secondly, what sort of benefits you see in the wines with organics.
Yeah. Look, I think fundamentally it was just about working in a minimalist approach, and that really kicked things off, and really asking a lot of questions, not only about our vineyard but our winemaking and just how we were doing things. And the more we looked at it, the more we thought, well, look, we don't really need to do this, and we don't need to do that, and so we just it was a natural progression for a long time, and I think look, the resulting wines, I think, speak for themselves. You get a lovely energy in these wines, and I see that in there's a brightness and a freshness and lovely energy in a lot of the organic and biodynamic wines out in the marketplace. And,
I agree.
I think that that's fundamentally what's behind it. There's a lot of science too, and we do have consultants, soil scientists that help us understand the real science behind it, but fundamentally it's a passion about making great wines.
Yeah. And so I think I read on your website that where you're based in Franklin River, and if you don't know where Franklin River is, guys, it's sort of inland from Margaret River and north of Mount Barker and Denmark, and quite isolated.
Yeah.
And does that allow you, I guess, to have an environment that doesn't require that interference to look after the fruit?
Yeah, I think that's really important. I mean, we are far enough off the coast. We're one of the furthest inland of the regions in Western Australia, and I think you get that lovely high temperature variation, so really cold nights, nice warm days, and the days we get away from a lot of that coastal moisture, and so we don't have a lot of disease pressure, and I think it makes it quite easy for us to run our vineyards this way. Absolutely. But I think if you've got healthy vines and you've got a healthy vineyard, it's a lot like us. When you run pretty healthy, you really don't need a lot of medicine, and that's what it's.
And we're specimens.
Yeah.
Proof.
Proof.
Yeah. Cheers. No. Well, I guess. There's a lot of people that sort of think it's almost can be used as a bit of a marketing tool.
Sure.
Organics, but I think the fact you have to get the certification, and I agree 100% what you said before about if you've got a healthy vineyard and healthy vines, it can't hurt the final product.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And I think, look, I suppose there is a lot of marketing aspect to this, but it's also, I think there is a growing demand for people that understand what organics is about, and I think it's a really, really exciting. We're seeing more and more producers in Australia going this way, and I think it's breaking down that globalization in a way of wine, and we're getting more unique characteristics out of these wines that are from organic vineyards.
Fantastic, guys. Thanks, Hunter. That's spot on. And we're drinking the Isolation Ridge Riesling of 2013, which just got a big rap from Mr. Halliday, 96 points, I think,
somewhere
around there. And all the wines speak volumes for the work you're doing in the winery, mate, in the vineyards. So
appreciate that. Yep.
Cheers.
Happy drinking.